Direct Kakas, who visited this exhibit of color of Vietnam here in the Embassy of Vietnam. And he said it's very artistic photo of those Vietnamese that are showcasing the culture of Vietnam. Those photos. That's a different
So every senator, they have about 20
photograph.
staff in the
That's a different exhibit, a photo exhibit. See? Wait.
okay.
I saw it. That's the photo exhibit today, March 25 here at the Embassy of Vietnam. This is the other exhibit. And they are after it says